5 ways you can make money online. Looking to make money from a website? Want to earn cash from the comfort of your home as an internet marketer? In this presentation, we're going to go over 5 powerful ways that you can start generating cash from the comfort of your home. 1. Sell an ebook. If you have a website that has an audience, or even if you have just a big following on Instagram, you should consider selling an ebook. Selling an ebook means you can generate profit without any overheads, barely any administration, and no storage or fulfillment. People pay for your ebook, then they download it. It's that simple. If you're in the US, then you won't even be charged for VAT. 2. Create an e-commerce store. While ebooks are fantastic for generating cash quickly and easily, they do require an established audience. That's because not everyone reads ebooks. People won't read ebooks if they aren't tech-savvy, for instance, or if they don't like reading. That's why physical products still sell more than digital products. It takes a little time investing in physical products, but sites like Alibaba make it easier than ever. 3. Provide services. If you are an internet marketer who makes money from a website, then that means that you can also help other people to make money from their websites. And if you target massive brands, then you can earn a huge amount of money by doing this. You just need the confidence, and you need to turn those marketing skills in on yourself. Now you are the product. 4. Sell affiliate products. Selling affiliate products is an alternative to selling an ebook or similar. This essentially means that you will be selling products you did not make in order to make commission. The great thing about this method is that it will allow you to scale your business endlessly, and there is absolutely zero barrier to entry. 5. SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. This is a more ambitious method for making money online, but it's also one that has the highest chance of helping you to become a hugely successful startup working out of Silicon Valley. The aim here is to create some kind of web app that allows a useful service for individuals or businesses. All you need is a good idea. You can even hire someone else to do the programming.